Welcome to VisualParadigm SysML V2 Studio Kickstart Guide. SysML V2 Studio Mastering Guide Jumpstart your projects. In the previous chapters, we explored how the examples library serves as a read-only reference for learning SysML V2 syntax. While studying these master copies is valuable, the true power of SysML V2 Studio is unlocked when you take those blueprints and turn them into your own living projects. Instead of starting with an empty file and fighting the blank page problem, you can transform any reference model into a private, editable project in your personal cloud workspace. This clone and modify workflow allows you to skip the tedious setup and jump straight into the creative engineering work. To keep the workspace organized, SysML V2 Studio clearly separates references from projects. The Examples tab contains the curated library. Files opened from here are protected and cannot be edited. They serve as your constant, reliable reference. The Navigator tab is your personal sandbox. Any file you create here, or any copy you make from the examples, is fully editable. This is where you build your own system architecture. By using the Create Editable Copy feature, you are essentially checking out a file from the library into your personal Navigator. This removes the read-only protection and gives you full control over the code, the attributes, and the diagrams. Let's try to unlock your first example. We open the Examples tab. Navigate to Training 004, Part and Attribute Definition 01, Vehicle Structure.sysml. Confirm you see the read-only indicator. Click the Create Editable Copy button. Notice the Studio automatically switches you from the Examples tab to the Navigator tab, and a new file is created without the read-only label. You are now in your personal sandbox. Try changing a component name or adding a new part definition. You will see the code update smoothly, and the diagram will instantly reflect your new design.